Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the April 2013 Grade 7-8 Contest Question 22, which also came up in the Grade 9-10 and 11-12 contests. So the question is, the sculpture Cubo Vazado Emptied Cube by the Brazilian artist Franz Weissmann is formed by removing cubical blocks from a solid cube to leave the symmetrical shape shown. If all the edges have length 1, 2, or 3 units, what is the surface area of the sculpture in square units? So let's imagine we are standing in front of this cube, and we are staring straight at the dark shaded area. Now, as you can see, it shows the entire left side shaded, and you can see that the entire top, going from left to right, is also shaded. And as you can see here, it's going down only about a third of the way, so we will take 1 unit, not 2, because that is the more logical answer. And it will go, and this right here is about 1, because it's either 1 or 2, and 1 would be more logical. And it will go up and form this little shape. So now this would be the shaded area of the left and the top. So now let's look at the bottom right shaded area. So since we took this as 1, we know that this would have to be 2, so we would have 2 squares and 1 more square, which would fit perfectly in here. So we have 3 little squares, which would look just like this. So the shaded area would be right here, as we already know, and the bottom right area. So we can see that the center is empty. Also, you can also see that when you look into the diagram, you can see that the middle cube is empty. So that also proves that this is the correct image that we were seeing if we stood in front of the cube, staring only at the dark shaded area. So now we know that the cube has equal side lengths, so we know that it must be 3 units. Therefore, we would do 3 times 3 is 9, so we would have 9 square units, minus this 1 square unit is 8 square units. So the shaded area for this square would be 8 square units. So the question states that it is a symmetrical shape, and also a cube has 6 sides. So if we know that you will see exactly this on each side that you look at, you will just take 6, the number of sides, times 8, because the square units for each side, and 6 times 8 is 48 square units. So the surface area of the sculpture will be 48 square units. So the answer will be option E, 48. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at www.brocky.ca/caribou.